What first? Hi guys, thank you for visiting my channel. This channel will talk about what came first before now. I hope you all know the contents of this video after watching it. Today we tell you what movie first created. Before that, movie is a recording of moving images that tells a story and that people watch on a screen or television. A lot of popular movies nowadays, example like Iron Man, Spider-Man, Extinction, Avengers and others. This is my first video. Please subscribe, like and click the bell to support my channel. If you're a movie fan, you've probably wondered, what's the first movie ever made? This is a great question. In the late 1880s, various people began experimenting with photo, blending them together to give the illusion of a motion picture. Even so, here are a couple of the very first movies. Number 1. A Horse in Motion, 1878. This groundbreaking motion photography was accomplished using multiple cameras and assembling the individual pictures into a single motion picture. All four of a horse's hooves ever off the ground at the same time while the horse is galloping. The video proved that they indeed were, and more importantly, motion photography was born. Number 2. Roundhay garden scene, 1888. The world's earliest surviving motion picture film, showing actual consecutive action, is called the Roundhay garden scene. It's a short film directed by French inventor Louis Le Prince. While it's only 2.11 seconds long, it is technically a movie. According to the Guinness Book of Records, it is the oldest surviving film in existence. Number 3. Arrival of a Train, 1895.
This 50-second silent film shows the entry of a train pulled by a steam locomotive into a train station of the French coastal town of Ciotat. It's a single, unedited view illustrating an aspect of everyday life, and the film consists of one continuous real-time shot.
There's also an urban legend associated with this movie that says when the film was first shown, the audience was so scared by the image of a life-size train barreling toward them.
They screamed and ran to the back of the room during that time.
So, that's all the three first movies ever made in human history. Number 1. The Horse in Motion, 1878. Number 2. Roundhay garden scene, 1888. Number 3. Arrival of a Train, 1895. Thank you for watching my video once again. Please comment my video so that I can improve this channel next time. Please subscribe and like my video to support these channels. Thank you. I hope we can meet again next time in my new video.